In this tutorial course, we will build a full sharing economy website from scratch using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and SQL. I hope you enjoy these upcoming tutorials and make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to be updated on the project. Now, what is sharing economy? Which is, by the way, also known as collaborative consumption, collaborative economy, and peer economy. Well, we all actually know quite a few big companies which uses this concept. All of you know companies such as eBay, Uber, Airbnb, and so on. In a nutshell, sharing economy is an economic network where people exchange tangible or intangible products with one another. So you can now get personal loan directly from your peers, share the same office space with others, share a ride, sell your personal goods, or stay at strangers' house instead of a hotel. So the actual web page we're gonna build together looks like this. In this demo we are doing a food market, sharing food online. And you can do whatever you want with this. You can use it in sharing cars, sharing products, sharing information, whatever. It's totally up to you. And this is the front page, real simple. But the actual thing is when we go to products. Here you can see all these products which have been uploaded by different users. So if I go example to check these strawberries, I can see it's from John's shop. It has different kind of it has different pictures here. This is like a picture of the fields where it's from. It says the price is in euros. The location is in Finland, Turku. There's a description of it. It's the delivery. You can, if I want to look on the salads, you can write salad and it's gonna search for salad. You can also like just write part of the word like cola, or maybe just like coal or CL. It's gonna find this. We can write city, which is part of a city. It finds all the Helsinki. You can search by category. Let's find all with meat. Okay. And then we can also search by area. And this is now adjust Finland. So all these are areas in Finland. So let's check what is in Lapland. In Lapland there's fruit cake. Click that, you can see the fruit cake here. Okay. Let's say we want to buy these blueberries. You can either call the seller, if the seller has a phone number here, or then you can send him or her a message. So let's write here Daniel. Let's just make up an email address, phone number 4444. Yeah. Hello. I want to buy these. All right. And now when we send this, so the message goes from our website server to the seller. If we click OK and go to our email and refresh the page, we can see that there's a new message from Food Market. You have a new message in Food Market products with blueberries from Daniel. Okay, let's click it. Alright. So Daniel says, I want to buy these, and you can answer by calling Daniel, or then you can send him an email back. So you can see this is like from our website, from support.esharing.site. And if you answer to this message, it's going to go straight to Daniel. Or you can also answer from here, and this redirects you to straight to Daniel's email. So we can now sign up to this site and see how that is done. Let's write again, Daniel. Email. Now we have to put a valid email here because it's going to send us a verification message to our email. And then create a password. Okay, I want to receive the monthly newsletter and I accept the terms of use. And I'm not a robot. Alright, and sign up. Oh, crap. This email is in use. Let's try again. Okay, you have been signed up. You will receive an email to activate your username. Alright, let's go to see this. Okay, and here we have it. Food markets verify email. And if we click this, it says message verify your email. Click the link below. And when you click this, our database gets the information that you have activated the username. And now if we go to login, we can write our email, what we used here earlier, and log in. Great, you're logged in. So now what we can do here is that we can add a product here just to show you guys how it's done. By the way, all the products or ads you upload to the website, they are deleted automatically after a period of time, and I have set it now for 45 days in this website, but you could do it for like 2 days, 1 day, 24 hours, however you want. So let's sell something here. Some bananas. Price, I don't know, €6. Pictures. I don't actually have a picture of banana. I will just put some random pictures from some sceneries. No, it doesn't matter. Just anything we have here. Okay, good. It's berries and fruits. Yeah, sure. Let's just pick some area, some random city. Quite. Description. Bananas. Something else. Yeah, you can write anything. Delivery. Let's write only pick up. Great. And these information you can't change. You can change them from your profile. And okay, it says here also. And then submit. Okay, your product has been added. So this is actually in the web page we're gonna build your profile. And here you can actually see your personal information. And you can change the information here. I can write here what any city I want. I can write here like New York. And it's gonna update it. So the product is also here. bananas, and you can change the information here. You can delete it, or you can show it how it looks like. And we just have now like some random pictures of some landscapes. But yeah, basically I don't have any other products, so it doesn't give us any other things to sell. But this is the main idea behind this website. And the page is also full responsive, mobile responsive, I mean, so it works perfect with mobile. And the last feature I'm going to show you here is this food hub. Here you can actually create your own marketplace or hub, what I call here. So if you want to meet people in the real world and share your products or sell them, you can create your own hub. Or you can scroll already existing hubs down here. In this demo there's only one though. Search them by name and find the closest to your area. And when you click here, you can see what products are sold here. And you can see the location here as well. You can zoom in or zoom out. Here you can actually see where Helsinki is located on the map. And you see when it starts, when it ends. And you can show the products in photo mode as well, like this. And by the way, you can share all the products you scroll. You can go down here. You can share this in Facebook. Or you can like this. And also you can as well share all the food hubs or your profile as well. If you show your marketplace, you can share the seller in Facebook as well. So if I create a new food hub here, it asks for name, description, start time, the same information. Then you can write the location where you want to have it. You can write address from I don't know, from New York. Okay, so then you can fill it up and share it and have your own hub. And when you're gonna have the hub here, now I'm logged in, so I can actually also place products here. I can add my product, upload product to hub. So now also your product is here. And when I log out and I go as a normal user here, I see all these products here, and one of these was from Daniel, which was these bananas. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this introduction, and we will see you soon again. Please leave a comment below if you are interested, so I know if there is any actual demand on this kind of courses in the future. Okay, see ya.